Good morning. Pouring a little bit of concrete this morning. This is a facility for a local roofing company. This will be their storage shed. Fortuitously, I guess, we've got some trenches down the middle for the interior walls to bear down onto the normal footers. The guys have been pouring for about an hour now. We're on the fourth truck, about to go into the next one, and should be a nice, easy day. Everything's going smooth, and the weather looks like it's on our side. We're dumping out one truck down. We got another one waiting on us, ready to pull back any minute, and we'll stop back by here in a minute. In the meantime, we'll take a look at the building that we've got under construction for these guys. Right now, we got the shell is complete. Tilt wall panels are up, roof is on. Got the doors coming here shortly. And like I mentioned, that this is gonna be a facility. These guys are eager to get some of their stuff into storage. So this building is split basically into an office section, and this right here is going to be the warehouse section. As is so often the case with these kind of buildings, there's a little bit of indecision and a lot of revision to the layout of the offices, interior bathrooms and such. And that's why you'll see that we've got some plumbing in here cut down through the floor. This is really our next step. Once this is inspected, we'll be able to backfill and pour back our trenches, which will open us up for overhead work. While we have gotten started with some stuff inside here, mostly duct work and a little bit of framing around the edges, again, most of the stuff is held up right now until we get plumbing inspection passed so we can backfill and re-pour. So this is going to look a lot different coming up real shortly. Once we start framing, this whole half of the building here is going to be all offices. These are additional offices, and like we were talking about, the back end here will be a warehouse and also where they distribute tools, fasteners, and those kind of things. These guys, they'll have probably another 45 minutes to an hour to pour out, and then the finishing processes are going to go actually really quick today, simply due to the weather. Nice and sunny, little breeze, and warm. Springtime's over here in Florida. It's summer now, so 80 degrees at 4 o'clock in the morning and 100 degrees on the way home is unfortunately what we'll be used to for the next few months. So we'll see you then.